So this quick tutorial video in Premiere, I'm going to show you how to add transitions to your clips in your timeline. Following on from what I did on the last video, you will see the two clips that are placed within the timeline. To add transitions, you need to find the video transitions folder. This will be in the effects folder. You have lots of different audio and video effects within there. Go to the video transitions, and then you've got loads of different options. Most of these are terrible, and I would suggest mainly using just dissolve in your work, not page peel. To start your film, you may want to fade up from black. So within Premiere, there is a dip to black option. Click on that option and hold and drag it to the beginning of your clip. You know you will have added it when the clip goes blue, so you need it fairly close to the edge. And you let go, you will see the dip to black option there. And when you play this back, you'll see it fade in. If you want more or less of the fade in from black, come to the end of your clip and you will see this little symbol here. Click and drag and it will add more or it will add less to your clip. And that is how you add a transition in there. To add transitions between clips, again, in your transition section, you've got additive dissolve or film dissolve. It's entirely up to you what you want to use. And you can click on this, I'm going to use film dissolve, and go between the clips. And you can do this a couple of ways. You can add the fade to the first clip, add it to the middle when it does this, or add it to the right hand one. And again, this is personal preference. I'm going to add it between, and again, if you want to extend it or shorten it, find the end, click and hold and drag. And then what will happen in your timeline when you play it back is it will like this. And that's the really simple way of adding transitions to your work. There is one more way, however, this depends on what you've set up your default transition to be. To add a default transition to your work, come to the end of the clip until you get the same arrow that you had to make the edit. Right click and you can click Apply Default Transition. This will apply it to the audio and the video. And now at the end, it'll do that. So my default is cross dissolve and constant power audio. And that's it, that's the basics of adding transitions. In the next video, we'll talk about how to add music and audio to your timelines in Premiere Pro.